If you've been looking for the perfect microphone for your gaming setup, you're in the right place. We're reviewing the Fifine am8 microphone. And in my opinion, this is the best value microphone you can buy. Let me explain. One of the things that really impressed me about this microphone is the design. And I found out that they actually won a design award for this microphone, so I'm not surprised. There's something about the boxy and clean look that really appeals to me compared to a more round microphone that we're used to seeing. The top cover of the microphone has a really nice and soft feel to it, although I must say that it attracts a lot of dirt, so you might have to clean it once in a while. At the bottom of the microphone, there's a subtle and minimal LED light, which can be turned off if needed. At the front of the mic, there's a button which you can use to change the RGB of the mic. You can change the RGB to different static colors and different RGB modes, or if you hold the button, you can turn it off completely. Below that, there are two knobs to control the mic gain and the headphone volume. I like that they included knobs in particular because these are really fun to use, very simplistic and easy to access. On the other side of the mic, there's one of my favorite features about this microphone. A touch mute button. It has an LED indicator which turns red to show you that the mic is muted, and when you press it again, it will turn green to show you that the mic is unmuted. And this is super useful if you want to quickly take a phone call and you need to mute yourself ASAP. At the bottom of the mic, there is a headphone jack, an XLR port, and a USB-C port. So you can use the USB-C port to connect it to your computer and everything will work from there. But if you use the XLR port, the only thing that will work is the mic. So you will need the USB-C connection to take use of all the features that the mic has, like the LED lights and the touch buttons. Overall, I do like the versatility that they provided. Some mics only provide the XLR and some only provide the USB-C, but you have both here, so you can either just connect it to your computer or you can use the XLR to other audio devices. Personally, I like to use the USB-C port because it's just more convenient. The mic comes with a stand included in the box. It's very basic, but it's very sturdy and it lets you swivel the mic around to find your comfortable position. I would honestly be okay with using this without a monitor arm because the stand it comes with is very small and I can easily fit it between my mouse and keyboard. However, to make things easier, Fifine sent their boom arm to attach the mic to. This makes using it more comfortable. You can manipulate it in almost any way and hide your cables with the cable management storage. When you're done, you can just throw it away and it's not on your way anymore. I did end up breaking the boom arm adapter by accident though, so either I'm very strong or the quality of the adapter could be better. You're now listening to the Fifine am8 mic. I think that this is a significant improvement to any headset mic that you might be currently using. So if you want to improve your audio setup for a little amount of money, $100 AUD or $60 USD, I think that this is a great choice. So to wrap things up, I think that 2024 is a great time to get yourself a value mic. For only $60 USD or $100 AUD, you get yourself a mic with great sound quality, great USB-C connectivity, and the XLR port if you need it, easy to access function buttons and knobs, and a very sleek design. I definitely recommend this as a great value mic. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed the video or learned anything from it, please do like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Thank you.